Note, this video is for teaching. In actual installation, each interface should be wrapped with tape and tightened. Number 1. The iron pipes are connected to the air compressor. The inner teeth are directly connected. Accessories direct. Then connect the high-pressure pipe. Complete the first step. Number 2. Change 1.526. Connect the pipe lining to the air inlet of the air storage tank. Then connect the high-pressure pipe parts. The high-pressure pipe is then connected to the air inlet of the air tank. Number 3. The relief valve is connected to the air tank. Number 4. The pressure gauge is connected to the air tank. Number 5. The blowdown valve is connected to the air tank. Number 6. Change 1.526 and connect the pipe liner to the outlet of the air tank. External teeth direct. The filter and automatic drainer are connected. Pay attention to the direction and then connect it to the external tooth directly. High-pressure pipe external tooth connection. It is then connected to the high-pressure pipe. Number 7. The reducer is connected to the dryer. High-pressure pipe external tooth connection. It is then connected to the high-pressure pipe. Number 8. The elbow fitting is connected to the dryer air gas outlet. Then connect the iron pipe. The filter is connected to the automatic drainer. The same operation. Pay attention to the direction and then connect with the iron pipe. Connect the external gear fitting and connect it with the filter. High-pressure pipe external tooth connection. It is then connected to the high-pressure pipe. Number 9. The external tooth fitting is connected to the air inlet of the adsorption dryer. Connect the concentric reducer. Connecting high-pressure pipe external tooth fittings. It is then connected to the high-pressure pipe. Number 10. The external tooth joint is connected to the air outlet of the adsorption dryer. Connect the concentric reducer. Connect the external gear fitting. Then connect the assembled filter to the external gear fittings. Complete the connection.